What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look over my Haro Freestyler retro build. It was originally a Zippo. Still working on it, but it's original. Pretty much everything is original except for the rims, obviously. And the grips and tires, they get replaced all the time. They get like burnt out or anything. But just to let you know, mostly everything's original. It was originally my dad's. He bought it when he was 15, 1995. It's a retro 1996. But we're going to make it a Haro Master 1985. Original chrome, and it has never been re-chromed or anything like that. So yeah, we should start off with the parts. So start in front. We've got our AME grips, and we got our Haro Freestyler handlebars. We got our steel fusion stem. We got our, and this part's also original. And you can see how it curves down, like just shrinks down. And it says Haro right there, as you can see. We got our Skyway Tough mag wheels, our Pen Eraser tires, and then we got our original Fusion seat post and seat. As you can see, it's kind of scratched up there for my dad in his early years. And we got our steel fusion pegs. It's kind of rusty in there, if you can see that. And it's original. They're not aluminum. We got our ACS freewheel. It's also a double top tube right here. And yeah, that will be it for the video. And hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!